If you're considering applying to US graduate schools but have no idea what documents and materials are required, watch this video where I give a quick rundown of what materials make up a complete graduate application and how to prepare these. So I will talk about 6 components of a graduate application that are required 9 out of 10 times. Number 1, your bachelor's degree and transcript. Typically, a minimum of 3.0 out of a 4.0 GPA is required, although some exceptions exist, and I personally know some people who had lower than 3.0 GPA, applied to graduate schools, and now they're working in the industry. Number 2, your recommendation letters. 3 to 4 are required, but should not be a big deal to get, and they are usually your faculty members in your bachelor's degree with whom you took courses. Number 3, your statement of purpose or personal statement. These are essays limited to 500 to 1,000 words where you explain your motivation for pursuing the degree. Some schools may require you to talk about your research plans briefly if the degree you're applying to has a research component like a thesis or a dissertation. They will have specific questions listed which you will have to answer by writing an essay. In my opinion, this is the most important part of your graduate application. You have already proven that you're academically capable by getting a good GPA and stellar recommendations. The admission committee wants to know, do you care about your major? Are you motivated and inspired? Do you like your major and want to work hard for it? They will not directly ask that, but that's what they're trying to judge. Number 4, your resume. Mostly required, but sometimes optional. It is always a good idea to provide this even when it's not required because it summarizes all your professional and academic achievements neatly in one single page. Number 5, your English proficiency test. It can be IELTS or TOEFL. English proficiency test scores are required if you are an international student and your native language is not English. Number 6, GRE. A few years ago, GRE was almost always required, but after COVID, many universities are either providing waivers or making it optional. It can be helpful if you're trying to secure a scholarship or a fellowship or some other financial assistance. My advice, if your goal is to simply secure an admission and pay for the degree out of pocket, you can definitely avoid GRE. But if you're looking to secure funding, you may have to take it. But even then, there is still a chance to avoid it. Please subscribe so I continue making more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.